We are in Pirates Cove 2025 here near the town of Albany. It's a small nature park in the middle of a community. I think there's some renovation going on. This bridge is a little bit sketchy. We're gonna move around carefully. Not deliberately, we're very careful. Lots of swamp across the way, so you had to come in a hurry. I recommend you to plan in advance because it doesn't look to be taken care of in a while. See that? Yeah. I'm kind of a little bit farther from home to do anything stupid here. But yeah, I just wanted to first just show you what I've been doing. Today is the first Saturday of May. There's a lot of spiders in here. Spider webs. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. Still, I had other plans for today, but weather was not cooperating. I wake up a little bit later than I wanted. So other than that, I think it's a good time to just turn around here. Yeah, let me touch this here down here. See. Oh boy, I have a whole cobweb on my head. Ooh, creepy. Yeah. How about you? You okay? Again, not deliberate. Don't be too bold trying to cross this. There you go. So yeah, at some point, just have to be a little bit adventurous, but you need to check for ticks because there's a lot of overgrown weed across in the middle of the trail. The only thing I'm scared about here is the biting bugs like horseflies, and of course the mosquitoes. But yeah, the small swamp looks very healthy. I haven't been visiting this place since 2023. It's been like 2 years, and ever since, evidently, there have been a bit of, I don't say neglect. Maybe there were some storms and they were focusing the resources around the city and the people around. So there was not too much of a hurry to maintain this trail. Okay, yeah, I see why. Yeah, we kind of crossed here. Look at that. I don't know. Yeah, this is not a part of the trail. You have to turn around somewhere. Trying to check where we're supposed to be going now. Darn it. Yeah, we were supposed to be going there, but I don't know where to go from here. So I had to track my path again back and see where we're supposed to be going from here. Yep. Well, look at that. That looks very South Georgia, Florida type of landscape. It cannot get better than that. The only thing missing is alligators. Probably they're out there So we're gonna figure out where we go from here. So I really wanted to go there just to take a look at the river. The two things are my favorite spots beside looking at the beach. The rivers, waterfalls, and lakes. So I'm very of a water person when I go out on a hike. Look at those butterflies, or that type of insect. Very dark wings. I wonder what are those supposed to be. I cannot see one of them at all. They blend very well with the environment around them. That's oh, there is. I see it now. That's a bug over there. It looks like a butterfly, but the wings are very thin to be a butterfly. Maybe it's a butterfly, maybe it isn't. Okay, so this is officially the entrance. And this is the trail proper coming in. Yeah, folks are fishing down there. That's probably why people come in. But yeah, they close down there. There's a gate, it's closed. It's chained, and there's a bolt and chain in there. You have to keep walking if you want to come in here. So yeah, usually folks park down here and you just keep walking down here. Usually just came in without your bike or jogging out, just working out, and that's it. Now this is a mushroom, some type of mushroom. This is the river I was talking about. Let me pause here and I will let you know what type of river this is. Yeah, so this is the Mukali Creek. And let's go down here and see up close and personal. You stay in the trail. You stop, you're gonna be swarmed by bugs. You just have to keep on the move all the time. The Mukali Creek is another river. Muckale, the Mukali Creek. Beautiful, it is beautiful. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer. Again, entrance is free. As of early May, this is May the 3rd. You have to leave your vehicle outside and keep walking all the way, and it's a 0.2 mile walk. But other than that, you're gonna come in. Evidently, people just came in anyway. Let's take a closer look here. But yeah, we're officially a little bit, it's a little bit humid. But for a guy that was born and raised in the Caribbean weather, it's nice weather today. It's like 77, 78. I can't tolerate that heat, but I don't know if other folks can tolerate that weather. Some people like it better at 60 something, 50 something. They can wear a sweater or a shirt or t-shirt weather type of deal. I just love this. Probably during winter it's will be much better because there will not many bugs. A little bit cooler weather. But other than that, it's lovely. take a picture here. But yeah, we're gonna see what else I can see and document as of 2025 here in Pirates Cove. Other than that, I will catch with you all later. Safe travels. Here's a better look of the Mukali River. Creek, I'm sorry. Just keep confusing the river with the creek. A nice place to come in and probably do some kayaking. Hopefully with bug spray or some net over your head to cover you from mosquitoes and other biting bugs. Oh yeah, I love this. Lovely. Beautiful. So the Spanish moss. That's the thing I love about South Georgia and Florida. The Spanish moss looks so beautiful. So yeah, this is the other side of the trail. The takeaway will be just stay in the main entrance here. Just the concrete. Walk across the river, you'll be fine. Just don't stop for anything. Just the mosquito just keeps swarming at you. It's very uncomfortable. But outside of that, the weather today was nice. Clouds still roaming on top of me, so that takes away the heat, but mosquitoes are in full force today. Mosquitoes and all the bugs, I have no idea what to call them. But yeah, other than that, it was a nice quiet trip. If you want to feel adventurous, go walk a little bit outside, but I don't recommend walking into the swamp because there was a lot of bridges along the way that are in disrepair. Especially if you're going to go biking, just stay here. But you're walking, again, use caution, but definitely stay here because those little bridges look a little bit sketchy, so watch out for that. Other than that, I'm gonna wrap this here. Again, if weather permitting and health and everything else, I will see you guys in the next adventure, which is gonna be up in North Georgia. Hopefully, I don't jinx it. I'll be able to get there next week. Hope to see you there. Thank you for watching and safe travels. Have a good one.